Hey, Dawn here, your wellness strategist and nutrition evangelist. And all month long, I have been talking about the seasons of life and the seasons of your business. And you may have been wondering, because I talk a lot about work. Now, I enjoy the work, right? It's not hard work, it's not icky work, it's fun work. But you may be wondering, when are we going to have our season of fun? So let's talk about that today, because that's where I'm headed into next, right? I talked last week about a season of work preparing for this epic trip to Orlando with I don't even know how many miles of steps every day we're going to take at Universal and Disney, but we have some super fun things planned, right? We're going to spend time at Harry Potter World. We're going to ride the Hogwarts Express. We're going to have dinner at Epcot's World Showcase in Morocco and in Germany. And we're going to go to a super fun sushi restaurant and then another Asian fusion bistro. And we just have a ton of fun planned um, over our mini fun season. So that's what I've been building up to, and it's not all or nothing. It's not either or. I enjoy my workouts. I enjoy the things that I do that get me stronger and healthier. I enjoy all the fun that I have, trying new recipes, building new meals, being the best healthy self that I can, helping others to do the same, and coaching other health pros on how they can do that for their clients. So it's not a grind, right? If you feel like it is an uphill climb all day, every day, you're doing it wrong. And I am happy to help you shift that so that you are enjoying things, both the process, the journey, and the results, because it's meant to be fun. Now, are there going to be seasons where things are a little bit more stressful? Absolutely. I'm just coming out of one of those too, for sure. And so I'm really looking forward to this season of fun. I've got a bunch of fun plans over the summer. For me, that means being outside. It means having great food. It means socializing with friends. It means being active. It means a ton of different things. What it means for me may not be the same that it means for you. So today, what I want to ask you about is, what does it look like for you? What does your season of fun look like in a way that still helps you achieve your goals? Comment down below. I really want to hear from you guys. I want to hear all the different perspectives that are out there about what a season of fun looks like. And maybe we can learn from some of the other suggestions that our colleagues and our friends have, because fun takes on different aspects for all of us. And that's cool. The variety is what makes the world go round. So for me, over the next handful of days, there'll be a variety of foods, there'll be a variety of activities, and there will be a ton of fun. Um, it's a break, it's a respite that I definitely need, and it's good for all of us to understand that these are things we need to build into our schedule. Taking the time to take a break from all of the normal daily activities and do something completely different, whatever that is for you, is super important. And it refreshes not just my personal attitude, it also refreshes my business attitude. It refreshes my creativity, allows me to be more fully present for all of my clients and, of course, for my family and my friends and myself, and do all of the things that matter. So I hope that that sheds a little bit of light on, the old-fashioned all or nothing attitude. It's not all or nothing. You blend it all together and we make it all work. Um, and as always, what I hope for you is that you live a life you love without giving up the things that bring you joy. So follow me on Instagram at DM Nutrition if you want to see what we are doing over the next handful of days to really, really, really enjoy our season of fun. Until next week, ciao.